Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ClickUp with Google Calendar step by step clearly. To connect ClickUp with Google Calendar, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Once you are signed in, navigate to your workspace. Look for your profile icon in the lower left corner of the screen and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Integrations. In the Integrations section, find Google Calendar and click on it. You will see a button labeled Connect. Click on this button to begin the integration process. A new window will pop up, prompting you to choose your Google account. Select the Google account you want to connect with ClickUp. You may be asked to grant permission for ClickUp to access your Google Calendar. Read through the permissions and click Allow. Once the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. You can now customize your integration settings. Choose which ClickUp lists or spaces you would like to sync with Google Calendar. Adjust additional settings, such as time zone and notifications, if necessary. After setting your preferences, click on Save Changes. Now, your ClickUp tasks will appear in your Google Calendar. You can view your ClickUp tasks alongside your other calendar events. To ensure everything is syncing correctly, check your Google Calendar for the newly added tasks. If you need to make changes, simply return to the Integrations section in ClickUp. You can disconnect or adjust settings whenever you wish. That's it. You have successfully connected ClickUp with Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.